How to type on both sides of Google Docs. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. First thing you have to do is simply go to your web browser and go to docs.google.com. Hit enter, and once you have opened it up, go ahead and click on the blank document to create a new document. Now here on the blank document, what you usually do is if you type it, it will start from the left side. So I'm just going to go ahead and type left text. And once you have done that, you could just go to the ruler up above, right click on it. And once you right click on ruler, you're going to have something called add right tab stop. Now here is your right tab stop. So let's just move it here. If we move our cursor here and then start typing, it would automatically move our text to the right side of your screen. And once you have added your right-sided tab, you can drag it all the way to the side where you want it. I'm going to go ahead and move it here and then add right tab stop again. Then keep pressing tab until you get to this point. And now if you start typing, it will start typing from the right. So if we move our cursor to the left, it will start typing from the left here. And if we move it to the right, it will start typing from the right. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically write on two sides of Google Docs. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.